Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a 5-minute 5th and 6th grade makeup tutorial. So let's get right into this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Wet n Wild color. I don't really know how to say that, so I'm going to say Brulee. And it's just kind of like a tan color. You just use whatever color really matches with your skin tone. And I'm going to use this brush. Just any kind of flat brush to really pack on the color. And I'm just going to put this all the way up to my eyebrow, just because since it's my skin tone, it isn't really going to affect the way that looks. It just kind of, this is to really smooth out your eyelid, get rid of any extra redness, and just anything like that. This will also allow the eyeshadow to apply more smoothly onto your eyelid. If you want to, you can just add a little bit underneath your eye. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Modern Metallic palette and open it up. You can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use this color, this brown. And I'm going to use a blending brush. Now, since this is 5 minutes, we're not really going to have too much time to blend it, but just do it in small circles. And if you have some extra time, like if you're getting ready for school and then like you're all ready and stuff, and you want to blend this a little bit more, then that's totally okay, because the more you blend it, the better it ends up looking, the more smooth it looks, and it really just overall blends the best. But if you don't have enough time, then just go in small circular motions around the eye. I'm just going to do this into my crease. And if you hold the brush, instead of holding it up close like this, hold it farther away, because the less control you have, the more blended it seems. And I know that seems kind of counterintuitive, but that's actually how it works. So now that I'm done blending my eyes, this is what they look like. Now I'm going to use this Brulee color again with this flat brush again. And I'm just going to apply that into the center of my eyelid just to make sure that it's really just nice and opaque down there, and that the brown didn't really seep into this color. I use my finger to kind of spread it out a little bit. So now the last thing, last two things I'm going to do is I'm going to get this palette from Ulta, and I'm going to use this color. It kind of looks like a yellow, but whenever you apply it onto your eye, it's very purpley. I'm just going to use the same flat brush that I used earlier. I'm just going to apply this at the very bottom of my eyelid. And I'm not just going to apply this onto the bottom of my eyelid, but I'm also going to apply, I'm going to use the same brush again, and I'm going to use on the Modern Metallic collection, the white color. I am just going to apply that onto my brow bone. This isn't a necessary step, but if you feel like the brown is kind of getting up to your brow bone, then not only does this add a little bit of shimmer up to your brow bone, it also kind of takes away some of the brown that isn't supposed to be up there. So now I'm done with my eyes. If you want to, sometimes I'll do something where like I'll just grab a brush like this, and I don't put any makeup on my eyebrows because I'm too young for that, but I'll just kind of brush them out if they kind of look funny. And now I'm just on to two more things, and these are really quick. So I'm going to get this CoverGirl blush, and I'm just going to use my blending brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit under my cheek I'm just going to put this onto the apples of my cheek. And it's important not to put too much. Just make sure you don't overdo it. You just want to make your cheeks look a little bit rosy, just not too rosy. And now I'm just going to get this from Ulta. And I really like this because it is a brush. So it's really easy to get it nice and precise. So now I'm finished. I'm going to put on the light and go ahead and zoom in on it. So this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and to see more videos like this and some other drawing videos, I do lots of those on my YouTube channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye everybody, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.